Hey darlings, this is Emma and you are back here on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trading on pocket option as always and sharing the most profitable strategies, the tips, the pro trading tips that I personally use with you so you can learn and apply it and use it to build consistent profits. So without further ado, let's jump right into the game because I'm really excited what today has in store for us. Well, first of all, I'm going to choose candles, enable the timer and M1 for the time frame. And now I'm going to pick the Keltner channel. I'm also going to need Williams percentage range and the super trend. Here we go. Let's see. Well, $35 to start with, very modest amount, but that could get us really far if we make the right decisions. So now I see that we broke below the Keltner midline and Williams is showing there is a room for further move. Super trend gave us a short signal and that means we are going for a short here. It's a put option. Let's wait for that drop and hopefully enjoy the results. Darlings, and if you are eager to explore trading opportunities and you want to learn more profitable strategies, I got you covered in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video and it's got everything you need. It's covering all the aspects of successful trading, so I highly recommend you to check this out. Just one click away, $67.20, lovely. First step is the right step, so I'm really happy with what I see. How about this one? Let's see what's been going on this market. And well, I'm going to place $50 for this next one. And I see there is a rebound upward from the support around 101.30. I'm expecting approach and the breakout of the super trend line to the upside. And Williams is showing that momentum is available. And what that means for us? Clearly, you got the answer. It is a call option. Time to go all the way up. And we are growing. $96. Great number. Awesome result. And we are on the right path. And well, $113.20 for this next one. I am expecting a move down toward the Keltner midline and possibly breaking below it. We'll see how that goes, but both super trend and the Williams percentage range confirm a short, so that is going to be a put option. That's right. Time to get dropping. Yes. $217.34. I mean, the numbers speak for itself. And I love it. Okay, next asset pair. Let's see what's here. And well, I'm going to place $160 for this next one. And I see a very strong buy signal. Hammer pattern plus a strong bullish candle. Not just one, but two signs that it's time. Alrighty. Williams is also showing us room for growth and the super trend also is signaling upward. So the only way here is the way up So let's go for a buy. No. Ooh, $307.20. Bring it on. I love what I'm seeing, and I surely hope you do too. What is it going to be? Well, time to get it up. $364.54 for my next bid. And we, in fact, broke above the Keltner midline. The super trend is also signaling growth, and I can see there is a strong long trend forming. So guys, it's a call option. Let's do it. What do you think about tarot readings and like astrology, all this type of stuff? Drop a line in the comments. I want to know your opinion. I'm really curious. I don't think I have like a formed one, but it's fun stuff. If you don't get too immersed in that, $699.92, essentially $700. And you remember, we started really small. Okay, next as a pair. And let me place $500 for this next one. Yes, the bids are up. And I see a very strong downtrend. And the price, it just keeps falling and falling. Super trend favors a short. So we are entering while there is no strong oversold conditions. It's time to get in for a put option. And let's wait for that drop. Let's get that drop while it's happening. Darlings, and if you're interested in building consistent results and exploring more trading opportunities, my Telegram channel is just the right thing for you. The link is right below this video, and everything I put there with one sole purpose: to help you get better at your trading game. So, and it works. $960. Beautiful result. Just fascinating. Remember, I started with $35 and I'm going to place $700 for this next one. And well, quite the opposite here from the previous trade. We are in a very strong uptrend. We broke above the Keltner midline, and the super trend also signal growth. So that's gonna be a call option. Loud and clear, we are going up. Let's do it. All the way up, $1,344. I made $1,803 in today's session, and I started with $35. It's a price of 1 meal in an average restaurant. Well, more like a fast food meal. And I got almost $2,000 by the end of the session. And if you love the sound of educational approach to strategy and you wanna learn how trading really works, I will be very happy to help you in my very special Telegram channel. The link is right below this video. All you have to do is click on it and join me there. And that's the decision you will never ever regret, I promise. Thank you so much for watching. What a wonderful session. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful audience. I love you so much, and I'm so happy that you are here. I am going to see you back here very, very soon. And you enjoy trading and enjoy your day. Bye.